Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We got a big mail call here in a package. Kind of a little overdue, but I've been behind this week. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this empty box. Now, I have to tell you the story behind this. Trust me, they didn't send it to me empty. But it was a jar of strawberry kiwi jelly I won from Pafford Homestead on one of their giveaways. Now, my mother watches a lot of you guys. She just loves a lot of your channels. And she's been asking me every day, where's the jelly? Where's the jelly? So the jelly comes 2 days ago. And she says, oh, open it up. I want to taste it. I was like, well, I need to make a video. But anyhow, I opened it up, gave her a taste. I tasted it. Wow, it is good. Very good. Just the right amount of heat, not overly hot. So she says, you know what, it'd be really good on a piece of toast. Okay, so I go make her a piece of toast, put the jelly on it. Oh, she just loved it. A couple hours later, she wanted on some chicken. So, needless to say, the jar is halfway gone. It is in the refrigerator, but thank you so much for sending it. And I got to reach out to you because I'm definitely going to have to buy some more because she's in love with it, and I really like it too. So that's why the box is empty. Not because they sent it that way, but they also sent some stickers, some big ones and some small ones. Pafford Homestead, you guys go check them out. Thank you guys so much for sending me the jelly, or sending us the jelly. All right, so we got some stickers here. I get my board start to fill up here. This one is from Dave Collier. And Dave has been around with me for a year since I started YouTube. So I'm going to give it a shout out to him. You guys go check him out. Wonderful person. Not just his channel, just him. He's really nice. And there's his sticker, Dave Collier. He does a lot of videos on camping, different gears that he uses. And really great channel and a really great person to support you. Thank you, Dave. The next one is from Mark Kratz. If anybody knows him, he's a former military and former law enforcement too. And he sent me a nice card that has his motorcycle. He does drive a motorcycle too around. And he sent me a couple of his stickers. Thank you, Mark. And I think he also won a magnet of mine, but I had already sent him a sticker, so he's going to have a magnet now. So, thanks, Mark. I appreciate it. Next one is from my girl, Wendy, at Willoway Ranch. She sent a really nice notes, and she sent a really nice sticker here. It's really cool, Willoway Ranch. Thank you, Wendy. I definitely appreciate it. She has a live stream. I believe it's on Wednesdays. I have to double check though, but please go check her out because she supports a lot of channels and she promotes a lot of channels on her live stream. The next one is from JJ Drones. If you ever need any kind of technical advice or any help on anything, this is the man to go to. JJ Drones. Please check him out. He does a lot of, he knows all about drones. So he takes a lot of awesome footage too. But he's really technical and he can help you out with anything you need. Thanks, JJ. All right, the next one is, actually I have two things. I won this in a giveaway from Boots and Bounty Homestead. I love my koozie. And they sent me one of their magnets. Boots and Bounty Homestead. Awesome people. He is definitely has a lot of technical knowledge. He has a live stream. He promotes other channels. And it's because of him I got a new software editing program that was, wow, great. So that's all I have for mail call and empty box. So I can get to fill up my sticker board, get it filled up. I also have one more thing. I have an announcement to make. Is I'm going to start doing live streams because I need to start building up my hours, my watch hours. I'm thinking Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Because I don't want to interfere with anybody else. I don't like to step on anybody's toes. Other people I know that are in different time zones. So I think that may work. What I'll do is when I do the first one, I'll tell you what the time will be. So I'm not sure about Tuesday or Wednesday because there are other lives going on. And like I said, I don't want to step on anyone's toes. But anyhow, that's going to be it for me. And thank you guys for watching.